How to show a single take in WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. After you do that, make sure that you're logged into your account and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and then tap on the chats option over here. As you do that, you can see no options over here that can make you show the single tick only. So we're going to go back and then tap on privacy, and then here you can see the option of read receipts. So as you can see, it's toggled on, so make sure to toggle off this option. And as you toggle off this option, you won't send or receive the read receipts, and you'll not only be able to send or show the single tick in WhatsApp on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.